I may have lost 180 pounds, but man, oh man, I feel like hockey do. Give me some grace on my food today. Happy Monday. I had to call in sick to work. That shot, I've been up since 2:30. I went to bed, I guess 8:30. And then I woke up a whole bunch of times. And then at 2:30, my brain was like, hey. And now, you know, so you lay in bed and you're just like, la, 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 la. I'm eating these today. Halls, it's the sugar-free ones. And then I've got my Mucinex and my Advil cold and sinus. I'm kind of a bad when I'm sick. I'm a sickly. I'm a wimp. I'm on my deathbed, y'all. Anyway, so I'm going to sit here and it's really weird. It's like, you know, whenever you can't sleep much, you're like, I can't see. I can't think. Am I seeing straight? Did I email the people I need to email? I just don't know. I just hope I did. I feel like I'm floating in a dream. Am I real? Are you people real? Anyway, I had all my stuff packed up to take to work, but I'll be eating it here. So I don't know what the day's gonna look like. It's like, you know, I'm starving, my stomach's starving, but my brain says, oh, let's not eat. Let's just drink. So I'm just gonna see what the day brings. I don't know how much broth I'm gonna have, how much coffee I'm gonna have, but I'll talk to you along the way. Bye. Y'all, I've been drinking more hot liquids than I've been having my whole dadgum life. Alright, so what's going on? Well, I am hungry. It's 10:42. I've been hungry for a while, but I just didn't have motivation to eat. But now I do, because it's me. And I've had probably, I don't know, broth, hot water, hot coffee with electrolytes and all of it, and it's fine. So there's no tracking what I'm eating today. Hang on just a second, I gotta see something. And I even have, you know, the broth that I was gonna take to work today, I'm taking it tomorrow. So it's like, how do you track that? You know, it's homemade and there's meat chunks in it. I know you can just guesstimate search, but anyway. So this was, I wrote it down yesterday. 180 grams of ground beef. 15 grams of tallow. Then I seasoned it with some adobo and sazon. Hang on, Ziggy. Turn on craft light.
Okay.
Hi there. Sure ain't very much. I could use my smaller containers now. But anyway, so my meal prep for this should come out Friday. Today's Wednesday, so it should come out in 2 days from now. I'm definitely getting used out of my kettle. This is hot water with some chocolate electrolytes and water. And then our cheese today. Oh yeah, cheddar and whiskey, baby. Did I tell you I took a trip with the dogs? I got a thing saying my meds were ready to be picked up. Just my regular month, you know, every 3 month meds. And at the same time, Sammy had some, he has these issues with his ear flap. So he's on medicine that he takes twice a day. So he was low and I called that in this morning. So I was like, well, I'll go pick his and mine up. So today I piled the 3 dogs in. That's good. I'm just going to drop it in there. Still working on my hauls. Anyway, we went to the vet first. They stayed in the car while I ran in. I got 2 candles. And then went to my pharmacy. And I got my meds. And they got 3 treats there. I always make them wait till we get home. I don't want no scrapping in my back seat. No fighting. So, they've been good. Sammy crawled in my lap earlier, and we took about a 10-minute nap. And then I moved and knocked my remote on the floor. And then that was it. He was done. He wouldn't get back up there with me. Little baby. But yeah. That's that. I'll see you next thing. Bye. Well, I'm making it. It's funny. It's like it can't make up its mind on where it's going. This morning, this was all clean and dry. And then I took an Advil cold. I'm going to take another Advil cold and sinus. Hang on. Okay, now, got that in there. I have never drank so much in all my life. Well, drank brothy, and I've had broth and broth and broth. And my broth, like I said, I can't track it because it's like rendered from whatever I've cooked. So like whenever I made some chicken thighs and I had the seasoned heck out of it, I just threw it in the freezer, and that's what this one is. And mixed with some pork juice and some beef juice. It's all just right in here along with some hot water and some salt. Not as hot as I want it, but that's all right. This, it is my pecan sticky bun and waffle protein shake, keto chow. Y'all. Yes, please. It's only $3.50. They were hungry. When they're hungry, I get hungry, so I'm eating. Oh, are you pooping me? Son of a gun. I left my spoon in the other room. Good night, Gertrude. I'll be back. Okay, and no lie, I've had about 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. It's comfort food. And of easy cheese. And probably about 4 or 5 of the whipping cream. Listen, I'm just trying to survive. So tonight, I have a whole pork steak and 2 eggs. I don't know. It just sounded good. And so that's what it is. And some seasonings on there. So 1 whole pork steak I chopped up into bite-sized pieces. And then 2 eggs. I can wait out. It's almost like how it was. Not as bad. It's almost like I'm losing my taste buds again, but sinus infections. But definitely isn't as bad as when I had the COVID. I couldn't tell tea from broth from something else, and coffee. Could not tell them apart. This, I know there's a flavor, and I can taste the flavor, but just not. Like, I can tell it's not beef. I'll give it that much. Anyway, I've just been mellow today. I told y'all I went and picked up my meds and went and picked up Sammy's meds, and they did good on the ride. I even got a cookie from the guy at Walmart. I go through the Walmart pharmacy drive-thru line. So, all right, guys. I love you. Tomorrow is going to be a much better day. Hey, He loves you. See him right there? And I love you. All right. Bye.